right? It's a very, very potent and a powerful way to scalp, right?
Wicks.
Wicks, right?
Is that
So,
something to do with like similar to short term, like 1 to 1.25 kind of thing?
so it's even shorter than that. It is
Oh, yes.
literally even shorter than that, right?
So it's like less than 1 to 1.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
You risk essentially never even use a stop loss.
Never use a stop loss.
Yeah. Because you in
It's
the trade,
weird from you.
yeah, very weird coming from me. But you see, the speed at which you take in the trade, this is true high frequency, right? So what I'll actually show you is an example, right? So let's
Sure.
go replay random bar, right? So analysis suggests that it's going up. So I think I can make use of that. So what I'll do is I'll wait for the market to suggest for me to find a potential buy, right? And let's see. That might have been a good one there, but not yet. Mm, so this is a buy here.
Okay.
Oh, take that. Go on. All right. Now, what is the
Yeah.
reason or the purpose for doing it like this? It's actually quite simple. Eh? All I'm doing is as soon as I get the opportunity to make money, I make it. Right? Let's see. Let's see if we get some nice wicks again. Not yet. Not yet.
But did you buy the previous one, or you are you in that
I,
trade?
no, that I closed that already. Now I tell you, this is true high frequency.
When did you close that?
That's what I told you. It is extremely quick.
So you saw one black candle going
And
up.
close.
Out of what did it move? How much did it go?
I don't even fucking
43,
know.
40, no, just, I mean, we can just do it. I'll do the count like 43 to what?
That is
Six, two
that's
pips?
yeah,
2 pips.
2 pips. Right?
That's even spread.
Let's see what's going on
That's 2
again.
pip or 20 pips? Sorry.
2 pips. Right? That would have been a nice sell there, maybe. Let's see. Nope, no, definitely not. All right. So I'm bullish. So I'll be careful to sell here. Mm,
It's a 1 minute setup as well.
yes, they had to do this on the lowest possible time frame.
Sure.
Mm, and you really want to do this in markets that are moving. I mean, for obvious reasons, right?
Yeah.
Right. Let's see. Mm, okay, I'm bullish, so I'll buy that. Taking it. Not wasting my time. Right?
$20 and you close it.
Done. Gone.
So
Running
is
with
that
that.
your total
This year.
so far? Okay.
Yeah, this. Mm, so now I'm looking at the fact that prices is stumbling up here for so long. What's going on with the mouse, right? Stumbling up here for so long. I feel inclined to sell. Sell. Right? Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Neither. Mm, all right. Not yet. So here we had a battle, a little drawdown. Had the opportunity to close it there, but I didn't.
So literally it's 20 to $50 and out.
Yeah, well, it depends. It depends on what the market is suggesting. So like that there, I I don't want to double down. But this tells me that I might be in the right to continue to hold. Let's see. Does it give me the option to get out in some profits? What's going on with this mouse?
It's gonna give you a chance. Now
You know,
it's gonna give
I out it, right? I know wasting my time. I take it out and I go. Because it's stumbling. For whatever reason, it doesn't want to go past that. So, right, good. And I would have been right to do so, right?
pretty much. It's like
Nothing.
four candles, three candles, two candles, you're out. Five
Depends.
candles.
Yeah. It's heavily dependent on what the market is really doing. Heavily, heavily dependent, right? So not yet. No. Mm-mm. Consolidation might. Okay. But this is very bearish, so I'm taking a risk if I buy this. But I'll buy it
Sorry. Okay.
out. What you're really looking for is anything suggesting weakness, anything suggesting that the market does not like a specific area. Market don't want to go there. Market constantly rejecting there. All right. Like this. I buy that. See? I don't want to stay in that. And you're gonna get that sometimes. Right? You're gonna get that sometimes. Um
That
there's
would have been a good one.
some rejection here. Market won't like that so much. Let's try that. The out. Right? You could do this again. You could sell that, but I wouldn't. Stumbling. But you notice I have lost how many? What, two, three?
Three.
Wow, that would have been a nice buy if I didn't held it. But again, you can't know that you should have held it. You can't know, right? Rejection, selling it, right? Let's see one more. All right, I've taken that. Now wasting my time. The fact that the second candle after that did not continue to just drop, and then I get the opportunity to get out, I get it out. Mm-hmm. Right. So now I'm watching to see how it reacts off of maybe this,
Yeah.
maybe. Right. So let's see how it reacts. So nice little rejection there. Do we get a rejection again? Mm, so price definitely floating above this zone for whatever reason. I wouldn't trust that yet. That would have been a good one. That would have also been a good one. Mm,
You want to try selling it?
no, buying it out. All right. So I'm already up to $400, eh?
Yeah. Sell.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. When you see sell here, the sell is when they close it, eh?
Ah, okay. Okay.
Right. Ah, shit, that would have been a good one.
Buy.
Sell out. Right. So
Did, that's like,
yeah, I know. I
what's
know.
the risk though? what risk you're willing to take
That's the
in
thing.
real world.
To be honest, it's a feel thing. It is a feel thing. I wish I could tell you, well, if you see this amount, close it, and it's a feel thing.
Okay, okay.
Right?
Let me rephrase my question in a different way. So let's
Okay.
say I'm doing 100,000 account
Mm-hmm.
and I'm risking 0.25.
Mm-hmm.
You have to risk a percentage, right? That's what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
0.25 means is what? $250?
250. Yeah.
So that means you're willing to risk $250 until unless your account or total losses hits
Well,
250.
so what if the trade goes $250 against you and it's continuing? Do you close it? It depends on what the market is doing, right? So that's why sometimes you say and you thinking sell and I'm thinking buy because what I'm seeing actually suggests otherwise, right? So let's
Yep.
see. Let's continue. Let's see if okay. So now I'm seeing a buy out, no hesitation. Probably gonna buy really aggressive from here. Okay, maybe it.
You try again.
Well, we will see. Let's see. And we just and this is literally just a patience game, right? So now let me see how the market maybe reacts to this. Sometimes you get like a really good reaction off of those levels, and then you have like a really good oh shit, that would have been a good sell. All right. Okay. Interesting. I'm buying that. One candle. I'm out. I'm not wasting my time there. The fact that when I thought it was supposed to continue up, it didn't.
Hmm.
Look at what you see. So again, you notice again, it's very discretionary. All right. I'm selling that out. Take back my money. Yeah, it is. This is not something I wish I could explain to you what I'm seeing, but I'm literally trying to adapt to the ebb and flow.
That's like 30 minutes and $500 is not bad. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, and I'm able to do this.
I mean, more or less, maybe 1 hour or so. But
Let's see how long it took. We started here.
the
Nah, that's 5 hours.
5 hours.
Yeah, but still, that's about
But
a day's worth of trading, right? And
you can do it on like all the pays doing it.
yeah, a day's worth of trading with a 75% win rate and $500 plus
That's like,
in front of you.
are you allowed to do these things in
Challenge?
in FTMO? Like
Yeah,
because they will see like you are closing at like 2 pip,
that
one
had
pip.
nothing to do with them. Their goal is for you to make money. That's all they
How
want.
do they make money in these cases? That's what
Well,
I
they
was thinking.
remember they're copying your trades. So if
But
you're
I'm
making
closing at like 1 pip.
doesn't matter, they're copying your trade at the exact rate that you open it in.
And
So
the
when
moment my get closed, they just
they close it,
it's auto close.
they
So
close
okay,
it.
so they're basically running bot on my account.
Pretty
Whenever
much.
I open, if I'm profitable, when
Hmm.
I open, they open. When I hit close, it get closed.
That's
Is that
correct.
okay?
That is correct. And I'm able to do that in no time.
That was a good one actually. That's a good class.
5 hours, $500, that's $100 an hour
That's USD.
USD. And again, it's not that I wasn't showcasing losses. It's not that I wasn't showcasing. I
Or
had
you
losses,
lost like what? You have closed like 5, 6, and
something
you
like that.
recovered it immediately.
Something like that.
Yeah, I mean, true. That's
Right?
something that takes like different kind of mindset
Now
for this kind of setup.
this is not something you can just simulate just like that. It unfortunately I cannot put you in a simulation to make you do this. All right. You have to do it. I can't teach you this, bro. As much as I want to be able to teach you how I'm doing this, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing here. All right. Like, I'm literally just, this is what my mind is seeing. Okay, I feel like this makes sense. So I feel like this needs to close out here. I feel like this makes sense. So I feel like this needs to stop here. I feel like this makes sense. So I feel like this needs to do this. You understand?
So this time it's like less brain, more what you feel.
Pretty much. This is completely discretionary.
Hmm. But okay, let's not say talk about the rules, but
Hmm.
still in reality, I still have to have like okay, for example, 250 was my per trade thing. So I
Hmm.
started a demo or do this.
Hmm.
So $50, I lost four trades or five
Right.
trades. So I
Hmm.
lost 250. So that's
Right.
equivalent to one trade.
Right.
Shall I stop?
Well,
I mean, I know it's again you're gonna say it's discriminatory, but
I
still,
personally would. Personally, I would. So let's look at what's going on here now, right? So discretionary, right? I know Price just really recently rejected this. It's approaching it again. What do you think I would do here?
you will wait.
Okay. And if it
I
gets
mean,
here,
on right, what's when it gets here, if it just straight away doesn't go, you're gonna buy.
the answer is I don't know what the fuck I'll do, bro.
I think that you're gonna buy until
I
unless
don't
it
know.
goes like
I don't
piercing it
know. And
straight
that's the
away.
thing. That's the thing. As much as I want to tell you, well, if it gets here, I will buy. I don't know what I'll do because it
But you can
depends.
you can exactly sell there as well.
I don't know. I don't know. And so like that, right? What that tells me there, that tells me so far, Price does not like this look.
So they want to buy.
But now it's telling me that Price doesn't know what it wants to do. And we have 30 minutes till this candle closes. Right? So I'm giving you the opportunity here to see me do this live again. Right? I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. But let's see. So 10
Yeah,
seconds. I probably would not engage on this candle, however, because there are wicks to both sides, and I probably would leave. I probably would leave this other one. Huh. So nice little push again. Can't trust that push though. Right? Because if I were to change that, that's really where I view the market attempting to go and stop it.
yeah, that's right.
So dependent on how this reacts here. Let's see. So you can actually see where the market is aggressively trying to push down. You can see the spread opening. You can see the market jumping for it fidgeting
Yeah, they're most likely trying to sell actually.
probably. All right. Now it doesn't show that it wants to reject, at least not yet. So I would not engage. All right.
It depends
And
on the broker spread as well because some
well,
this
yes,
could be.
yes. But here's what I want to focus on. You notice that this is actually very bearish. Now I am bullish, but why am I looking at the market at this level? Because I want to see if it's going to reject. And if it does reject, I'll jump in far by. So, so far, not okay. That's good. That's really good. 10 seconds, 7 seconds. Let me see something quick. Yeah, I'm buying that. Buy. All right. So I bought that very quickly and dependent on what this next candle. So I don't even know what the fuck my stop loss is here. I'm already up 115, 150. I done. I out. Back out again. Done. For the day so far, because I've been doing this all day pretty much, yeah. Right? For the day
Yeah,
so far, bro,
you're demoing it.
demo week.
Sorry,
I don't trade demo, bro.
I'm just asking.
Right? Watch that for the day so far.
What, few $1,000?
Right? And
That's not bad. One one
I
five
lost
eight.
I lost one trade for the day so far. And that was like the wee hours of the morning. Now watch this, right? Watch what's going on here. You see why I close it, right? Because I can't trust it because it is bearish,
That's
right?
fine.
Now, if this next candle closes like this, I'm willing to bet that the very next candle as well is also going to be promoted to be very, very bullish. If this candle closes like this. Looking good, right? And as you can see, with this whatever stop loss, because you realize I didn't even use a fucking stop loss here. I don't even know what stop loss this was. But I would be up at least 1 to point 0.7 here, right? But again, the goal in this case is not to be up a specific risk reward. It's to make money. That's the goal. As you get the opportunity to make money, you make the money. That's it.
I'm actually going to
Regardless of
try it.
again,
I'm actually going to try it.
right now, here's the catch. The catch with this is you have to be very so all right. So you see how that is heavy rejected to the top side? I'm
Yeah.
definitely not interested in buys anymore. Right? Because it's very, very bearish, and then there's rejection to the top side. I would not
But you
sell
do
this,
want,
however.
no, you will not sell it either. That's what I was saying.
I would not sell it because there's also wick rejections to the downside in that. And that
But
makes it
if it clears that or it gets there, then you will.
well, depends again on when I see the next opportunity.
And this could be just any pair.
Anyway.
I'm seeing sells on it, to be honest. Still.
I'm not. I'm not. I'm not going to engage it. See where my hands are? I am literally I am I'm not going to engage. I'm probably not going to even consider selling, all right, for a while. All right. Let's see how it reacts there now. Oh, damn, that's a good one. Hold up. Hold up. That's looking like a good one. So let's see. So I'm watching it. All right. Now, why would I see that? Why would that, stand out? Right? So now, definitely not. What does this tell me? It tells me that sellers are trying to come in really hard.
I don't care. I made $200 and I'm out.
You got it?
I got in, I sold 5 lot and I'm out with $200.
All right. So it's telling me sellers are trying to push it down. All right. They're trying.
Yeah,
They're really, really trying to push it down. But
it's struggling though.
it's struggling. Right. And you know what's a really, really good looking candle? When the candle looks contrary to what I've taught you, bro. When the candle, so like in a buy case, when the candle looks like that off of the low, bro, and
Yeah,
you buy in at the close there, that's a really, really good candle. Because what it suggests is it wants to go up and it suggests that the very next candle, the current candle closed before it could continue its bull move. So
that's
like
right.
if this candle closes like that, where it's a wick and then like big momentum up, the very next candle has potential to do that because it closed before it could continue its move or complete its move. So right here, I'm not engaging. I can't engage. Can't sell, can't buy. I want to sell, but I'm not quite sure. I'll also be very careful to sell in momentum, so in such heavy momentum above this zone. Because the momentum is bullish, but here it's bearish.
I made $75 again.
So what I want to warn you about as well is doing it all willy-nilly. Now, yes, I am telling you that it is discretionary. There are no fucking rules here, right? There
See,
are
that
no
would have been
rules,
good.
right?
that
There
that
are no
that would have been good.
It would have, absolutely. But that's the thing. Because there are no rules, you can get out of hand very quickly. And that is the problem with this method. This is called the fuck you method, right? Or the do whatever the fuck you want method, right? There aren't any rules, all right? But because there aren't any rules, I mean, think about life in a town with no rules, no laws to uplift and upkeep. Yes, you could probably have a lot of fun, but shit could go sideways very quickly. When people start to kill
If
other
if
people.
if you're trading gold, yes.
No, no,
If you're
no.
trading it, doing it
Let's not think. Let's not talk about if you're trading. Think about if it is you're living in a town where there aren't any laws. You can rape, you can cheat, you can steal, you can kill, you can rob, you can do whatever you want, right? You can
because
drive
what
as fast as you want.
eh,
You can do whatever you want. And let's be real, all of these things, you know, because you have no one controlling you, it might seem as though it might feel fun, but it's only fun because you are doing it. What happens when somebody wants to come and do those things to you?
because people will be doing it.
Exactly, because it's not a lawless tongue for you alone, it's a lawless tongue in general,
Yeah.
right? And that's what I want to warn you about with this method. It is a very potent method if you're able to at least keep yourself under control. You watch your back, you pay attention to what's going on, and you continue to do that. Remember here, I bought, right? I bought,
Yeah.
and as soon as I had the opportunity to close because I saw some money, I closed, right? In this
Yeah.
case, guess what? I did not continue to hold it. And had I done so, look at how much drawdown I would have had to endure, right? At this point, I have no choice but to continue to hold it until, maybe, just maybe, the market decides to turn around. Maybe. I could close it, but then I give up everything that I've just made. And that is the problem with the method. The method is because there aren't any stop losses, you run the risk, extremely, extremely high risk of the market taking back everything if it is you don't have some degree of control, right? Heavy, heavy, heavy bear momentum. Right. So it's playing off at this level here now. Let me see what to do here. Right.
So I don't know.
What?
You're gonna call me stupid, but that's I'm just doing calculation, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm listening.
I made $1,060. Five
When?
trades. Just now, six trades.
So you literally what? Make as much you made more than no, just a little under what I
I'm
made in 5 minutes.
one 1060. That's what exactly I made. And since that rejection, bullish rejection, green black candle, that's where you
Yeah.
have the purple color.
You've just
I
been
keep
selling
selling
from
every candle.
yeah.
Selling $100, $200 close with five lot. Though I don't know how that will come down to bigger risk. So actual money will be much smaller if it's controlled risk. But I just did like five lot for each trade.
But
Six
that's the
trades.
thing. You're saying if it's controlled risk, right? Bro, there's no such thing as controlled risk in this method. Because again, if you are suggesting that you can control your risk, then you're implying a rule, right?
No. I mean, when I say controlled risk, that to me is like every trade doesn't matter how much I'm making or how much I'm losing. I'm not going to because there's no stop loss, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no. How do you put risk because you're not putting stop loss?
Exactly. And that's what
But
I'm
how do
saying.
you say what will be the lot size? Because you can get into with 0.50
Bro, I don't know.
and close at $50 loss
I don't
versus
have the answer.
like in 4 pips versus you can have like five lot where 5 pips can cause you like I don't know how much loss. 3 pips can cause you more than that.
And that's what I'm saying. I don't have the answer. This is a completely discretionary method, right? Now you notice as well the difference in how I'm doing it and how you're doing it. You notice I'm watching. When you sit
Yeah.
down and you make all that money in what 5 minutes or whatever, you realize I have taken one trade in that time when you've taken five or six or whatever. Because
Yeah.
again, as much as I know it is not rules based, I am still looking for something specific. I'm looking for the market to tell me that it definitely does not like a specific area.
You're looking for your own rules when it's playing by the
No,
rules or not.
not rule. I want it to be clear. Rule suggests something hard and fast. I'm just looking for the market to suggest to me that it don't like what it's doing before. So like this, right? That is suggesting to me now that it does not like this area, but I cannot sell it because it is not suggesting that heavily enough for me to trust that it's going to sell. In fact, I do
Do
believe that it's going to continue to buy open black.
yeah. But you would not buy it though
I would not buy it
either.
open black, and probably close, maybe close small black, small red, or
Yeah,
nothing
it's going
significant,
down.
right? Again, and understanding the way the candles function is very important, right? I would not sell this. I can't sell it, at least not yet, because it is not confirming to me anything, right? And confirming is not based on anything. It is not, what I'm asking for is not for the market to reject a level and say, well, because it reject this specific level is going to do this or no, 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 no. I just want the market to tell me I don't like this area. So if you take advantage of me now, maybe, just maybe, I'll give you some money. You understand?
Yeah.
All right. I'm still yet to take another trader. Notice that.
I'm not I'm not taking any more trades. I'm just sitting now for last. Since it's gone bullish, just sitting.
All right. And that's the thing. I'm not, you notice I'm no longer, I'm not directional here either. I'm not saying, well, because it's a bull market, I'm only going to buy, or because it's a bear market, I'm only going to sell. No, whatever the market is doing, I am adapting to that. Right. So the last candle, like I said, would have been a small bull candle. And let's see what this next candle does. That is healthy. That is very healthy.
It's looking good for buys.
That is extremely healthy. So healthy, in fact, that I'm preparing to engage. Now I want it to close because I don't want to take this, haphazardly. All right, that looking good. As it closes, I am buying it. All right, let's see. Coming back. Let's see. So I'm on a little bit of drawdown there now. Okay, back in profit, $24, 27, 27
Uh, You're using IC
dollars,
market. I got in at same time. I'm not seeing profit yet.
$100
Now it's
out,
gonna profit.
out.
$180. I'm out.
I just made $108 again.
I made 180.
You're using 5 lots, right?
5 lots.
Yeah. So I'm up $1,266.20 for the day.
Pretty much same. Mish.
How much?
1200 something.
Yeah. And you did it in much lesser time than I did.
Yeah, so it's exactly 180. 1240. So 1225.
Right? Try it. Try it and see.
I will. It's good. Because
It's a
now market is
very, very potent method. And now what I'll probably wait for, because I cannot engage with the market between these two zones. Once it hits that, then I'll probably look to re-engage. I would not engage before that. I'm done. 1,200 for the day, bro. You can't complain about that.
1200 for 7 minutes.
Yeah, well, you definitely can't complain about
15
that.
minutes.
Right? You definitely
Can,
can't
can I
complain about that.
can I resign?
If you want to, if you
You
want
know
to,
I'm joking.
yeah, bro. So